Imagine this. A severe windstorm rips through your commercial property in Dallas, or a massive hailstorm hammers your apartment complex in San Antonio. You have hundreds of thousands of dollars in structural damage. Tenants are demanding answers. Revenue is dropping by the hour. You call your broker, you file a claim, and you think, I've paid my premiums for years, I'm covered. Then the game begins. The insurance company stalls. They send an adjuster who looks at a ruined roof and calls it wear and tear. They offer you a settlement that doesn't even cover the cost of materials, let alone the labor. Why? Because you don't know the rules of the arena you just stepped into. In Texas property litigation, everything hinges on one fundamental question. Are you dealing with a first-party claim or a third-party claim? Get this wrong, and you give the insurance company the ultimate card to escape paying what they owe. Let's break it down into plain English. Question 1. What exactly is a first-party claim? A first-party claim is when you file a claim against your own insurance policy. If a tornado rips through your roof in Austin or pipes burst inside your building, you turn to your own carrier to make you whole. Here is what your insurance company doesn't want you to know. Under the Texas Insurance Code, when you file a first-party claim, your insurer owes you a strict legal duty. They are bound by what's called a fiduciary responsibility, meaning they are legally obligated to treat you fairly, investigate your claim promptly, and act in good faith. Question 2. What is a third-party claim, and how is it different? A third-party claim is when you file against someone else's policy. For example, if a contractor drops heavy equipment onto your commercial building and punctures your roof, you are filing a claim against their general liability policy. Question 3. Why is one harder to settle than the other? Because third-party carriers have zero accountability to you. They will use every corporate trick in the book to drag out the process, hoping you'll get desperate and accept pennies on the dollar. But even in a first-party claim, where your own insurance company is legally required to act in good faith, they still play the exact same games. They rely on the corporate playbook of delay, deny, and undervalue. They delay inspections, they deny clear damage by blaming it on pre-existing conditions, and they undervalue the cost of real repairs. In Texas, we face some of the most volatile weather in the country, from catastrophic Gulf Coast hurricanes to historic winter freezes. And relentless springtime hailstorms, property owners take a beating. The Texas Department of Insurance sets the rules, but big insurance companies break them every single day. When your own insurance carrier intentionally underpays your storm claim or sits on their hands while your business loses revenue, that isn't just bad commercial service. That is insurance bad faith. Under Texas law, if your first-party insurer fails to attempt a fair settlement, when liability is reasonably clear, you have the right to fight back aggressively. That's why you need trial lawyers who fight every day to recover property damage from denied insurance claims. At StormLex Law Group, we don't negotiate from a position of weakness. Our lead attorneys, Marco Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers, know exactly how insurance companies operate. With thousands of claims resolved and over 200 five-star Google reviews, our team is ready to fight for your case. Whether you own a commercial plaza in Dallas, manage multifamily complexes in San Antonio, or are a homeowner in Austin, we level the playing field. We serve all of Texas and Oklahoma, and we don't back down. If your property has been damaged by severe weather, and your insurance company is delaying, denying, or undervaluing your claim, stop playing their game. Head to stormlex.com or call us right now for a free consultation.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.